Love yours. No stress.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi, and we are back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a half wig, and this is going to be no heat, no nothing. This is just a matter of throwing it on, minimal leave out, no heat. We out the door, popping curls. Don't even got to blend no curls. My hair don't even have a curl, and the hair is going to blend with the curls, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it. Today we're working with Curlsqueen. Your half wig is going to come in a silk bag that helps to preserve the hair. We have a hair moisturizer. We have a hair a scalp thing for your scalp, detangling brush. We have two little cute little clips, and they're actually pink. We have a edge toothbrush, a headband, which is very cute. This will be so cute for the fall. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. Of course, we're going to define the curls and stuff. This is what the curls look like at the end. You have the 3 clips, and then we have elastic band. We have a clip at the back, and then we also have a extra elastic band at the back to ensure that this is not coming off. So now, one thing that I would recommend is that you have a little cap. It doesn't matter what color it is. It doesn't matter if it's black. It doesn't matter if it's tan. Whatever one is gonna work, because as you guys can see, my hair is like all over the place. When I tell you we're doing no heat, we're literally doing no heat. Take out this much of my hair, and really we probably not even gonna use this much, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I do. I just take out this much just so I can know like what I'm working with. I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle like that. We're just gonna do 2 braids. You don't even have to do braids, y'all. I'm just doing braids so it can make it look like I'm doing something for real. And then if you really just want your hair out the way, you could just do braids. But if you're like way pressed for time and you don't even got time to do 2 braids, you could really just put the hair back in the cap. Like, it's not nothing too crazy. Now what I do, y'all, is I just take the black cap and I put it all over like my whole head like this. Just put it all on like as if I'm just putting a cap on my whole head like this. Y'all see how it's looking? I take out all the hair that I'm gonna need for this. I just feel like this just makes it like a little better for me to do. Like, and I'm just taking out my leave out. So then I kind of like put this back a little bit, just a little bit, so that I could clip it on in the front. 1, 2, 3. Want to make sure that you have this is what's going to ensure that it stays on your head extremely tight. And you just pull this to your liking, and I just stick it in the back. Cool. So now we have our hair. As you guys can see, I haven't even blended the leave out yet that I have out, and it's already looking like, you know, I just did an install. Now it's just time to style. I just brush that little bit of hair that I had out. I just brush it until it morphs into the leave out, y'all. Like, do y'all see this? And that's literally what it is. Like, literally giving coming out my scalp. Like, y'all see how easy that was? Period. Okay, so today we're gonna go for more of like a middle part vibe. So what I'm gonna do is kind of like part the half wig a little bit so that it's definitely giving middle part vibes. Before I go ahead and diffuse the hair, I'm just gonna take my Eco Styling Gel This is the one that I'm using. And I'm just gonna do my baby hairs real quick, but I don't do a lot. Just take out some. Y'all see this? Like, this just looks so natural. Like, and we're like, this took me no time. Y'all need to get the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activating Cream. This is what y'all need. That's all y'all gonna need is this, your diffuser, blow dryer, and you're gonna need a towel. And then I'm going to brush it. Just so you guys can see what the curls is looking like, just, you know, with just water. Like, these curls are still giving. Well, now you guys see just what the hair looks like with water on it and no product. Now the product just gives it the extra oomph. This hair is really good. Let me show y'all just what the back looks like before we go in with the curl cream. Are y'all seeing this? So cute. And you're just putting it all through the hair. And y'all see how the curls are automatically defining? Like, that's why I love this stuff. Like, this stuff works so good. But I really prefer that you put this on damp hair and not dry hair. Because you see, I'm literally using my fingers and this hair is literally giving me a way more defined curl. Make sure you hit those ends as well. Just go over it with some water because you don't want it to like make the hair stale-ish looking. But just look at the difference between these curls and this. Like, too cute. And that's how you know this is some good quality hair, because you don't even have to worry about not being able to run your fingers through the hair. But my curls are definitely defined, definitely cute, still tea. Everything is blended. Like, ain't no straight parts. I like to take a little towel first before I diffuse and just bunch up the towel just so those ends can really be defined. You don't even have to finger coil to get really nice looking curls. Now we're gonna go in with our diffuser. This is the final result, y'all. Like, this just came out so cute and it's so easy. Everything is blended and no heat was required. If you even wanted to do a little flip over, you could flip this over to the side, do a little flip over, but I just want to keep it in the middle because that was the style for today. But this is just so cute, y'all. This hair is so comfortable. The more and more I've had this half wig on, and nothing feels too tight, but it also feels secure, so that's a good thing. And y'all see that this wig, oh, ain't nothing coming off. Like, nothing is coming off. This ain't going nowhere. Ooh, okay, yeah, this ain't going nowhere. It took me no time to do it. Y'all need to go invest in a half wig because half wigs is definitely where it's at. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I could do a million videos like this because this is such a good low maintenance hairstyle. It's no heat. You don't have to have so much of your hair out. So if you're on like a little break or whatever, you just want your hair to rest, this is the perfect style to do, y'all. Like, this is just so cute. If you guys want all the information for this hair, make sure you click that link down below and shop Curlsqueen so you guys can purchase this half wig. They have them in all lengths, so if you guys want something a little longer, you guys can check that out as well. I love you guys so much, and if you guys have any questions, make sure you guys comment down below. Stay blessed. It's your babies. We out.